Ladies and gentlemen, what I am about to tell you today may completely change how you look at your kitchen. Because the truth is this: the very spices you trust to flavor your meals may be secretly harming your body, draining your energy, and accelerating muscle loss. But there is also hope. Other spices, often overlooked, hold the key to healing, protecting your heart, and restoring your strength even after 60. This knowledge can be your shield, your survival guide, and your secret to living longer, stronger, and healthier. After 60, every single choice you make about what enters your body carries greater weight. Your metabolism slows, your liver works harder, and your muscles require special care to remain strong. That's why it is critical to know the truth about the spices in your kitchen. Some are silent destroyers, while others are powerful healers. Today, we will walk step by step through 4 dangerous spices you must avoid, and then I will reveal the 4 healing spices you must eat daily to protect your heart, sharpen your mind, and rebuild your muscles. The 4 dangerous spices. 1. Cinnamon, Cassia variety. What happened over the years is that most of us were told cinnamon is good for blood sugar. But here's the truth: nearly 90% of cinnamon sold worldwide is Cassia cinnamon, not true Ceylon cinnamon. Cassia cinnamon contains coumarin, a compound that silently damages your liver and kidneys when consumed in even moderate amounts. For seniors already on blood thinners like aspirin or warfarin, this can increase bleeding risk dramatically. Symptoms such as fatigue, itchy skin, or yellow eyes may appear only years later. To stay safe, always look for Ceylon cinnamon, often labeled as true cinnamon. 2. Chili powder. Many seniors enjoy a little heat in their meals, but what happens inside the body tells a different story. Chili powder contains capsaicin, which in excess triggers inflammation, nerve desensitization, and blood pressure spikes. A large 2022 study showed that older adults who consumed chili daily had 25% faster cognitive decline compared to those who didn't. What feels like a spice of life on your tongue may quietly steal your memory and balance. 3. Nutmeg. Nutmeg has long been used in desserts and holiday dishes, but hidden inside is myristicin, a compound that can disrupt the nervous system. Even half a teaspoon daily may cause dizziness, confusion, or irregular heartbeat. For seniors already taking multiple medications, nutmeg magnifies side effects and creates unpredictable reactions. 4. Black pepper in excess. Black pepper is called the king of spices, but in large doses it can be dangerous. Its compound piperine increases nutrient absorption, but also magnifies how your body absorbs medications. This can lead to toxic levels in the bloodstream, making blood pressure, cholesterol, or antidepressant drugs work too strongly. A sprinkle is safe, but daily heavy use quietly builds danger. The 4 healing spices. Now let's move to the hope-filled side of the story. Because nature in her wisdom has also given us spices that heal, protect, and restore. 1. Turmeric with a pinch of black pepper. Golden turmeric is nature's strongest anti-inflammatory. Clinical studies show it can reduce joint pain, fight inflammation, and even slow muscle loss by nearly 39% in just 8 weeks. When combined with a small amount of black pepper, its absorption increases dramatically, making it a true daily protector for seniors. 2. Ginger. Warming, soothing, and healing, ginger protects both the stomach and the brain. Research proves it lowers inflammation, improves digestion, strengthens immunity, and sharpens memory. A slice of ginger tea daily can calm the gut, boost circulation, and keep muscles nourished with oxygen-rich blood. 3. Garlic. Garlic is one of the greatest gifts for senior health. Studies show it lowers blood pressure, balances cholesterol, and strengthens immunity. Seniors who eat garlic daily have better circulation, reduced stiffness, and protection against age-related infections. It is truly the spice of life. 4. Cloves. Tiny but mighty, cloves contain eugenol, one of the strongest natural antioxidants. Cloves fight oxidative stress, protect the liver, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Just 1 or 2 cloves steeped in warm water daily can boost energy, fight fatigue, and protect muscles from age-related breakdown. My friends, what has happened over decades is that marketing and half-truths have blinded us to the real power of spices. Many seniors, unknowingly, use the wrong ones every day and suffer silently. But now you know the truth. You have the power today to stop feeding your body silent poisons and instead welcome into your life the healing treasures of nature. Your health, your strength, your survival depend on these daily choices. Remember this: every sprinkle, every pinch, every choice you make in the kitchen is either medicine or poison. Choose wisely, and you will walk with strength, clarity, and vitality for years to come. I want to hear from you. Have you ever noticed fatigue, brain fog, or joint pain after certain meals? Share your story in the comments below. Your experience could inspire and protect another senior. And if you want to continue receiving life-saving health tips, subscribe now to the Seniors Hub. Together, we are not just learning, we are building a stronger, healthier, and more empowered community of seniors worldwide.